A very good morning to all the students. I hope all of you guys are doing well, and I hope yesterday's video was a helpful video for you, so that you would have understood how does a word problems on simultaneous linear equation are connected to daily life problem. So word problems basically help us a lot to connect with the daily life problem and attach mathematics to our daily life problem, and we'll be solving some of the daily life problems and framing a equation for that and try solving the equations. And yeah, let's see what we have got today. So I'll be doing question number 10 right now. Question number 10 goes something like this. So you need to remember three steps that I told you guys to remember. First is read and reread, read and read, okay, many times. If you read it 5 times, you'll understand a question much better than if you have just read once and then started doing the answer. So the good thing is read it and reread it and keep rereading it until unless you understand that stuff. So right now we'll be doing question number 10. Question number 10 says, if 1 is added to the numerator of a fraction, it becomes 1 upon 5. If 1 is taken, and then it's a comma, if 1 is taken away from the denominator, it becomes 1 upon 7. Find the fraction. In this question, if you see, there's a fraction, a numerator and a denominator. So always in a fraction, you can say, I'll start solving this question and I'll say let the fraction be x upon y. So whenever they are asking you to solve a question on a denominator or a numerator, you always have to make sure that you take x upon y. Now numerator is x and denominator is y. It says if 1 is added to the numerator. So what is added to the numerator? 1 is added to the numerator of a fraction. It becomes 1 upon 5. Becomes means equals to. So what is my equation going to be? My equation is going to be that 5 is going to go on that side and it's going to become 5x plus 5 equals to y is going to go on that side. So my equation is going to be 5x minus y equals to minus 5. This is first equation. Let's see what do we have as a second equation. If 1 is taken away, taken from denominator. So if my fraction is this and denominator say 1 chala gaya, so my fraction becomes 1 upon 7. This can go on that side and I will have 7x equals to y minus 1. 7x minus y equals to minus 1. This is my second equation. So I have 5x minus y equals to minus 5 as my first equation, 7x minus y equals to minus 1 as my second equation. You know very well what to do with both of these equations. There are three ways of solving the equation. One way is elimination method, the other way is cross multiplication method or the substitution method. Now if you guys have a look over here, I have x, y and y same. I'll say subtracting both the equation. So I'll take the bigger equation 7x minus y equals to minus 1 and I'll write the second equation 5x minus y equals to minus 5 and I'll add the equation, sorry subtract, minus, ये plus हो जाएगा, ये plus हो जाएगा. This is going to get cancelled out. So 2x equals to 4 and x equals to 2. So I have x equals to 2. That's my answer. And then if I have x equals to 2, I'll get the value of y as well, putting x value in any of one of them, and I'll get the value of y as well. And then I'll get the fraction 2 upon, और जो भी आएगा, जैसे आपका fraction x upon y था तो x का तो 2 आ गया, y का जैसे 7 आ जाएगा तो 2 upon 7, something like that. But exactly I don't know what is y going to come. You guys have to find that on your own right now. So I'm leaving it for you. Okay, let's see question number 13. Question number 13 says, it goes something like this. In two-digit number, the sum of the digit is 7. I don't know what is the two-digit number. So I'll write down the solution and I'll say let the two-digit number be 10x plus y. So this is सो जब हम 34 लिखते हो तो हम इसे एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं, 3 इंटू 10 प्लस 4, तब 34 हो जाता है। तो जब भी हमारे पास ऐसे क्लियर नंबर नहीं है और हम वेरिएबल ले रहे हैं, सो विल बी राइटिंग 10 इंटू एक्स प्लस वाई. Okay, this is the number that I have taken. They said the very first thing, in two digit number the sum of the digit is 7. This is the digit, this is the digit, the sum of the digit is 7. So that's how I'm going to write x plus y equals to 7. This is my first equation. Now I have to work on my second equation. Let's see how to work on the second equation. It says if the number with the order of the digit is reversed, this was the order. If it is 34, make it 43, reverse the order. So what I'm going to get, I'm going to get 10y plus x. Okay, so if the number with the order of the digit is reversed, is 28 greater than twice the unit digit of the original number? Okay, see what is the original number, this one, and what is on the unit digit, y. So they said twice the यूनिट डिजिट का जो नंबर है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तब जाके मुझे 28 मिलेगा. दिस इज माय सेकंड इक्वेशन. लेट्स मेक द सेकंड इक्वेशन लिटिल बिट मोर प्रॉपर इक्वेशन. सो दे आर लाइक टर्म, सो आई गेट 8y plus x equals to 28, and this is my second equation. So I got my first equation, I got my second equation. Okay, if you are not able to understand this, what you guys can do is go back in the video, try looking the video again and again, and try understanding what the question is trying to tell us. Is that okay for everyone? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, then you guys can solve it by elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. Use any method that you know, no restriction in using methods. Okay, so you can use whatever the methods you know, especially when there are word problems. Okay, that's a, okay, I would say a relaxation for you, that use any method that you know. We'll see another question. The other question is question number 16. If you guys can see question number 16 right now, I hope you are able to see, and you guys can read question number 16 out of your books as well, and then maybe I'll read it for you as well, so that it's much clearer for you guys. The question says the result of dividing a number of 2 digit by the number with the digit reversed is 1 whole 3 upon 4. If the sum of the digit is 12, find the number. Maybe some of you guys didn't understand. I'll read it again. The result of dividing a number of 2 digits. So I don't know what is the number of 2 digits. So I'll say solution, let the 2 digit number be 10x plus y. This is the 2 digit number. Okay, so this is the 2 digit number, and then I'm going to read the question again. The result of dividing, it says the result of dividing a number, so dividing this number, इस नंबर को किससे डिवाइड, बाय द नंबर विद द डिजिट रिवर्स. तो जब इसको रिवर्स कर दूंगा तो ऐसे आ जाएगा, इज 1 whole 3 upon 4. I hope you guys understood. So this is my first equation. What I can do, I can shift things from here to there. So 10x plus y, और नीचे से 4 आ जाएगा इधर, और ये 4 on 4 7 हो जाएगा. तो 7 से क्या मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये उधर 10y प्लस x जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. And then I can solve it. I'll get 40x plus 4y equals to 70y plus 7x. And then I can shift all the like terms on one side. So I'll get ये इधर जाएगा तो 33x, और ये इधर आएगा तो minus 66y equals to, there is nothing left, 0. Try shifting everything on one side and solving, you'll understand. So this is my first equation. Okay, what about my second equation? Second equation, if the sum of the digit is 12, I know the digits are x and y. If the sum of the digit is 12, this is my second equation. So I can also, what I can do over here, I can divide the whole equation by 11. So if I divide the whole equation by 11, what I'll get, 3x minus 6y equals to 0. Okay, and I can multiply the second equation by, let's say, 6. So I'll get, or maybe anything, you can multiply by anything, ठीक है. So इसको, ये कितना हो जाएगा, 6x ये वाला plus 6y equals to 72, and this one is going to be 3x minus 6y equals to 0. And then I'm adding both the equation, plus and minus, they're gonna get cancelled out, and 9x equals to 72. X equals to 72 over 9, I'll get x value as 8. What is the value of x? 8. If you see carefully, I'll get the value of x as 8. Okay, and then you can put the value of x over here, and you're gonna get y as 4. So they said find the number. What was the number? X and y. So the number was 84. The number was 84. Okay. That's how you solve this type of questions. Okay, if you are still not able to understand, read the question again and again and try understanding the question. I bet you'll understand the question. Okay, let's see what does question number 19 has to offer us. Okay, I'll request all of you guys to read question number 19 right now. Okay, I'll read it for you. It says 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. Now, Marina is the mom and she has a daughter. Okay, so I'm just gonna write, let Marina's age, अभी की एज भी x, and daughter's age by. Okay, so Marina's age is x and daughter's age is y. Now they said 4 years ago, तो 4 साल पीछे चलते हैं, मतलब मम्मी के एज में भी 4 साल पीछे चलते हैं और बच्चे के एज में भी 4 साल पीछे चलते हैं. तो 4 years ago Marina was 3 times, Marina, this is mother, mother was 3 times as a daughter. So this is my first equation. Okay, so you guys can also understand again. I'll read it. I'll just read the very first line for you. 4 years ago Marina was 3 times as old as her daughter. 4 years ago हमने 4 साल पहले गए. कैसे गए 4 साल पहले? -4 in both the ages, and then Marina was 3 times what her daughter's age was. If you want to simplify the equation more, you guys are most welcome to simplify the equation more. So you'll get 3y minus 12, and then shift everything on one side, so you'll get 3x minus 3y equals to -8. This is your first equation. Okay, so you got your first equation. I'm going to put that in the box. Let's see the second equation. 6 years from now, so right now mother's age is x and the daughter's age is y, but 6 years from now, so we'll add कि 6 साल बाद कितना हो जाएगा, दोनों में 6 साल बढ़ जाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मैं अपने आप को आपसे कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ कि इफ़ आई एम 18 years old and you are 15 years old, so if I add 6 to my years, कि मैं 6 साल बाद कितने साल का हो जाऊँगा, so you'll also have to add 6 years old, because after 6 years I am asking the age. What is your age going to be after? So you're going to add 6. So I'm going to read the sentence again. 6 years from now, the mother will be twice as old as daughter. Mother will be twice as old as her daughter. So I'm going to simplify this equation more, and I'll get 2y plus 12. Shift everything on one side, and you'll get, this is the second equation. So you got both the equation, right? X minus 3y equals to -8, that is the first equation, and the second equation is x minus 2y equals to 6, that's the second equation. Okay, now it's very simple how to just solve this down by elimination method or substitution method. I won't do that for you, so that you are able to do it on your own. So when I'm doing this question, you guys can hold the pen and the pencil in your hand and keep doing it, and pause the video and try solving it, so that you'll understand how to solve these questions as well. Okay. Okay, let's see one more question, and this is question number 22. Question number 22 says a shopkeeper sells a table at 8% profit and a chair at 10% discount, thereby getting rupees 1008. Now this is my first sentence and I need to really work on my first sentence, but if you guys have a look at the percentage, you'll be like अबे यार अब इसमें percentage भी घुसा दो, है ना? But the problem is it's not a problem. Why? Because I'm going to explain you how, when you add a profit, how do you sell it. So just giving you guys an example, let's say मेरा टेबल जो है 600 रुपये का है, 600 रुपये का टेबल है और उसमें आप प्रॉफिट ऐड कर रहे हो, तो आप प्रॉफिट 50 रुपये ले रहे हो, प्लस आपने चेयर भी बेची 400 रुपये की, ओके, और आप कितना ऐड कर रहे हो, 5 रुपये ऐड कर रहे हो, या 5 रुपये घटा रहे हो चेयर में, ओके। तो आपके पास टोटल कॉस्ट आ जाएगा 600 प्लस 50, 650, फिर 400 ऐड करोगे, फिर माइनस ये कर दोगे, तो टोटल अमाउंट ऐसे आता है। पर हमें तो पता ही नहीं है कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या है, सो I'll write over here solution and I'll say let the cost price of table be x and chair का कितना हो जाएगा y. Okay, now I'll do the solution over here. So it says, if you guys see, a shopkeeper sells a table, x रुपए तो लिए उसने और प्रॉफिट 8% भी प्रॉफिट लिया, प्लस 8% प्रॉफिट कितना होता है 8/100 इंटू CP, दैट इज x। फिर उसने अलग से चेयर भी बेची, चेयर कितनी की बेची y, और डिस्काउंट दिया y 10% y में, okay. So now you guys can, and total money was 1008. So when you start solving this out, you'll find out the LCM for both of them, and you'll get 100x plus 8x over 100, right, plus 100y minus 10y over 100. Now you know there are like terms, 100x plus 8x, they both are like terms because they both carry the same variable, and when you solve them, what you'll be getting, 100 plus 8, that is 108x over 100 plus 90y equals to 1008, and 100 can go on that side and become 0 and 0, okay. And this is the first equation that we have, 108x and 90y. Let's work on the second equation. I'll give you both the equation and then you guys can solve it, okay. You know how to solve both the equation. Second equation says if we had sold the table at 10% profit, now table cost is x and then profit is 10%, and that's how you manage 10%, plus he sold a chair also y, plus, and that was of 8%, 8 upon 100 into y, and then what is the total amount that you'll be getting, you'll be getting 20 more, whatever the amount was you'll get 20 more in that, so you'll get 1028, 20 more in that, okay. So now you can solve this and you'll get 110x over 100 plus, and this is discount, I'm sorry for this, so this is going to be 92y over 100 equals to 1028, and the 100 can go on that side, if 100 goes on that side, so it's going to become, so I'm writing the equation over here, you guys can have a look, writing over here 110x plus 92y equals to 102800. Okay, this is which equation? This is the second equation for me. This is the second equation for me. Okay, I hope you guys are getting it. So I have two equations, and in both the equation what you guys can do is Now you guys can make the like terms same. So how to make the like terms same? Now you can do is you can make this one and this one same, both of them, by multiplying one or the other number, and then something is going to get cancelled and you'll get your answer. Okay, so I've given you the two equation, how to make the equation, rest is your part, because we have solved the equation in the previous exercise as well. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you guys in doing your homework for today and tomorrow as well. So have a good day everyone. Thank you so much for listening.